Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to connect your custom AI chatbot to Telegram so you can talk to your chatbot via this messaging app. Let's just dive right in. So we're starting off here in the QuickChat AI app, and I have previously set up this AI assistant. It's an assistant for an online Apple reseller Mac shop called Helpful Macintosh. I'm just quickly gonna go through the different settings so you know what it's about before we jump into the integration. So basically, it's an AI assistant of which role is to provide information about Apple products, so on the Mac shop website, and offer promotional discounts. It's supposed to use some emojis in its responses, and it has a little bit of knowledge in its knowledge base, which is about different MacBooks and the iPhone. And now, when it comes to the settings, I just want to play around a little bit, make it a little bit more interesting. So I'm just gonna quickly change the AI personality from classic, which is just a recommended well-rounded setup, to humorous, so that it's a little bit more funny and makes little jokes. And now, since it's a sales AI assistant, I want to make the AI profession shopping assistant. Okay, so these are basically the only two settings that I'm going to be changing today. There are numerous different ways that you can customize your AI assistant with QuickChat AI, and we have an entire tutorial devoted to setting up your AI assistant expertly. I'm going to put the link in the description down below. But now let's just jump into the integration. So here, the first thing that we need to do is to just enable the Telegram integration. And the next thing that we do is we just navigate to Telegram, and we need to search for bot father. In contacts and chats, we click on it, we click start. So this is basically a very easy way that Telegram enables integrating bots into its system. So what we need to do is to just select this command, new bot, and it asks you, all right, what should we call it? Well, it's called Helpful Macintosh. So we enter the name, and now what we need to do is to just choose a username. Helpful Macintosh bot. All right. So now we have an API key, and this is just something that you need to take, copy, and paste into the Telegram integration right here. Okay, so we're pasting it, and it's saved. So now if we close this window and we reopen it, this API key is still going to be in the same place. And now basically that's it. We can test it. So this is the link to the bot, and we can start a new conversation. Just remember that in the Telegram integration, there's only one conversation thread per user. So essentially every user, or like every phone number that is associated with Telegram, is just going to have one conversation, which is going to be ongoing, similar way that WhatsApp or Messenger are set up. So we say, hey, hello. And Helpful Mac, as you can see, is typing back to us, which means that the integration worked. And this is basically the end result. So we can see that Helpful Mac has replied to our message, which is amazing. We can just keep on going. Hey, I want to buy a MacBook. And here, for example, in the inbox, if you just want to debug it a little further and see if it actually works, in the inbox, you can see that there is a conversation here. Hey, hello, I want to buy a MacBook. Great choice. Okay, amazing. Basically, this is it. This is how you integrate QuickChat to Telegram. So let's just very quickly recap. So what you do is you enable the integration, you go to Telegram, it's assuming that you've already set up an account, you go to bot father, you create a new bot, then you paste the API key that the bot father generated into the QuickChat AI app, and you can begin the conversation. And that's it. Now you can go to the QuickChat AI app, navigate to integrations, integrate to Telegram, and test it out yourself. Oh, and by the way, I almost would have forgot. If you want to learn how to customize your AI assistant further, I made an entire tutorial dedicated just to that and all of the settings that I was just mentioning. So if you want to check it out, I'm just gonna link it right here.